Hello guys, today we will learn to digital marketing. Thus I am studying today day 1. Today I will talk digital market early introductions. What is digital market? First of all, short, small words I understood. Then after day by day, detail understood. Today early basics understood because this is the day 1. First of all, what is the digital market? Digital market means internet, mobile computer using using product, service, banners in promotion. This is the digital market. Uh, in simple mm, in simple words, we search there is a customer. uh, when we online customer there, that is the digital market. Example: Facebook ads, YouTube video ads, Google search Google search top one top coming top website, Instagram business page. Second and next, what is traditional digital market and traditional marketing versus digital marketing. Traditional market is word technique, uh, newspaper, TV, radio ads, postal, banner. This is expenses. Result also not tracked. Uh, Not right people to sledge. Digital market is new model. Facebook, Instagram, YouTube search, website, email, WhatsApp. This is cheap. Result track also easy. Uh, Light customer to reach. Digital market to why are the digital market important nowadays time? Every person hand on app. All people use uh, internet, shopping, learning, job, everything's online. Digital market, which place use digital market worldwide: Amazon, Flipkart, Taras, Netflix, etc. Digital market main type: SEO, SEM, Google Ads, paid ads, content creation, email market. Step 6: digital market. After learning what type of job found in digital market, what type of work online ads make, Facebook page manage, website promote, customer data analyze, sell make strong gain, sales increase strong gain. This a market. After learning what is the benefit in income, job, regards, online business, YouTube, Instagram growth, career, digital market, social media manager, ads, specialize. This video only this much. Again meet you next video, and next video I will explain digital market type, main type explain, then more also add. Okay, today this much. Again meet you next video. Okay, bye bye, see you soon.